Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cornbread bowl. First, gather all your ingredients, including cornmeal, flour, and milk. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to prepare your baking dishes by thoroughly greasing your oven-safe bowls. This step ensures your cornbread bowls will release easily after baking, making the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to baking. Combine your dry ingredients, then mix in the wet components to create a smooth cornbread batter. Carefully pour this batter into your greased, oven-safe bowls, filling them about 2/3 full. Place them in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, carefully remove the cornbread from their molds. They should pop out easily if you grease the bowls well. Let them cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them firm up and prevents them from becoming soggy when filled. Now, your delicious, edible bowls are ready to be filled with your favorite chili, soup, or stew for a comforting meal. For the best cornbread bowls, always use sturdy, oven-safe dishes that can withstand high temperatures. Remember that baking times can vary slightly depending on your oven's calibration and the size of your bowls, so keep an eye on them. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including a special offer on Darn Tough socks and other helpful recommendations to enhance your cooking experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.